Yusuf stood at the bus stop under the warm morning sun. He reached into his pocket and felt the smooth, round edge of a silver coin. He was going on a big adventure all by himself to visit the city park. With a loud hiss of air, the big yellow bus pulled up to the curb. The doors swung open like a giant mouth. Yusuf took a deep breath and climbed up the tall steps, feeling very brave and grown up. Yusuf found the perfect seat right by a large, clean window. As the bus started to rumble and move, he watched the world go by. The shops looked like colorful boxes, and the trees seemed to be running a race alongside the bus. Mr. Idris was the bus conductor. He wore a smart blue uniform and a hat with a shiny badge. He walked down the aisle, clicking his ticket machine and saying hello to everyone as he collected their fares. Suddenly, the bus went thump over a big stone in the road. The bus jiggled and wiggled. Mr. Idris had to reach out and grab a silver pole very quickly so he wouldn't lose his balance. Because of the big bump, Mr. Idris got a little bit confused. He checked his list and then walked right past Yusuf's seat. He didn't stop to ask Yusuf for his coin, and he didn't give him a paper ticket. Yusuf looked down at the shiny silver coin in his hand. If he stayed very quiet, he could keep the money. He could use it to buy a giant, cold ice cream or a new toy car at the park later. But Yusuf knew that wouldn't be right. He knew the money belonged to the bus company for his ride. He stood up and tapped Mr. Idris on the arm. "Excuse me, sir," Yusuf said bravely, holding out his coin. "You forgot to take my fare." Mr. Idris turned around, and a huge, kind smile spread across his face. "Oh, thank you, Yusuf," he said warmly. "You are a very honest boy. It makes me very happy to see someone doing the right thing." He sat back down as the bus reached the park. He didn't have money for an ice cream anymore, but he felt a warm, glowing feeling inside his chest. He knew that being truthful was the best way to travel. Honesty shows good character.